let's start making it now. And I'll start with reviewing what we have. We have a source of good plant-based protein with a lot of fiber, a lot of prebiotic food for the good bacteria to grow on. We have our starches, which are complex starches, and you can roast them or steam them or boil them or just gently saute them, whatever you want. We have a lot of greens. So we have, for this one, we have like spinach and arugula, and we have tons of crucifer vegetables, including the spicy sprouts, broccoli. We have celery, we have carrots in different shapes and forms. We have these lovely roasted vegetables, including the bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, different kind of beans and asparagus, heirloom tomatoes. We have boiled and steamed beets, which are really good for your arteries. We have the lovely fatty, natural fat providing avocados, healthy fats. We have bean sprouts. We have made this coleslaw. We have some purple cabbage for the flavonoids and phytochemicals in there. And we have a couple of seeds which we prepared, as you saw, pistachios. You can use cashews or almonds or peanuts. And then finally, we made these lovely dressings with hummus, apple cider vinegar, and a lot of good herbs, the Italian herbs in there. If you want a little sweeter and not so tart, you can add a little bit of honey. And we have this lovely, yummy, creamy avocado dressing with avocados and tomatillos and a lot of herbs, garlic, lemon, all the goodness in there. So we'll get started.
Let's layer with the dressings first, and then we can add on some beans and maybe some baked tofu if you have any, which can get marinated and soak the flavors in it. And now we are layering it with beets, making different colors and textures. Beets are high in nitrates and nitric oxide, and they protect your heart and lower your blood pressure. Then we'll add some other colors and textures like cucumbers, which will have a lot of fiber, prevent constipation, very hydrating, and also add some colored vegetables, rainbow colored, roasted, sauteed, various phytochemicals in there, getting some organic corn for nice bright yellow color, and then bright orange with carotenoids, great for your eyes and anti-cancer. Now we'll be adding some coleslaw and fermented vegetables. A lot of phytochemicals, anti-cancer, anthocyanin, sulforaphane in the cabbage, especially the purple cabbage. And then adding some nutty texture, a lot of omega-3s, and packing it finally with spinach, with vitamin A, C, K, folate, calcium. And that's it. Similarly, we created another rainbow meal in a jar, and lovely ingredients, and the ingredients are mentioned on the screen. So enjoy.
Beautiful colors, really gorgeous, and so good for your health and well-being, both mental and physical and emotional. And if you're sharing it with friends, then connection, social, spiritual. And then when you're ready to eat, and this is good for 2 people or for 2 times, you can either shake a little bit or just open it up and have a nice bed of greens. You can put some extra beans if you would like. So here we are. We have these 2 beautiful meals ready just by doing sufficient food prepping and planning and utilizing your leftovers and whatever you've batch cooked and meal prepped for the whole week. Thank you. Ready for the taste test finally to see how it is. I'll start with the avocado creamy one first. Looks really green and yummy. Excellent flavor. And look at the colors of it, it's beautiful. And let me go with the purple. Nice sweetish touch to it. Very nice. Yum, yum, yum. Enjoy.